This is the cheapest, one of the cheapest Chinese welders. In theory it has 200 amps, but no way, I don't believe this. I think it's 150, and the most using settings by me, it's 110 amps or 135, some about that. My first trick, which I covered some time ago, is about using electrode like a pen. And what you are doing is just using this like a pen, but remember, always have gloves when you're welding this way, because rod is very hot and you can burn yourself. And this is how it looks like. The next trick is about the filling joints. When you want to connect two pipes in the easiest way, use end of used rod and put this here. If this is too long, you can always cut a little piece, and now it's perfect. I think it looks well. And last trick, as you can see, rod is long, and because of this sometimes it's hard to control such a long electrode. So for make life easier, you can cut off a piece, and when you have shorter electrodes, you have more stable hand. In this way, welding is a lot easier, especially if you are beginners. And cut at end, all you have to do is do something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you can end welding with second electrode. So I hope that those tricks will help you, and especially if you are beginners and you have some problems with welding. If it will, let me know in the comment. Maybe I will make another video about welding, who knows. So if you like this, click thumbs up, and see you later.